He's not moving unless I give him a reason.
Hey, you, sir.
This is
bullshit,
come here.
Man. You ain't got no probable cause. We're just talking.
Hey, man, look, I got my tickets right here.
No, keep your hands where I can see them.
This is bullshit. Jay didn't do nothing wrong.
Get back now. You're vice lords, aren't you?
That ain't illegal, right?
Don't get smart. How did you two afford VIP ticket?
Bet she makes more than you do.
Yeah?
Hey, yo, Dee Dee, calm down, all right? Don't give him nothing they can use.
Something tells me if we run you shit stains through the system, we'll come up with plenty we can use. I need to see ID. Both of you.
Well, I ain't showing shit. Oh, shit. Hey, y'all filming this? I want to see this motherfucker online.
Fine. I don't need ID. I'd ask you to smile, but it works better if you don't.
Hey, man.
Bad boy. The police are about to lock this whole place down. I'm stuck unless we create a major distraction. I want to cut the power and slip past them.
To the whole stadium? I thought you wanted to keep the vigilante out of the news. Everything's connected to the CTOS with a serious firewall.
Right now, I need to get out of the stadium. Can you find me the nearest access point?
In the next room. But you'll need to find someone with security clearance.
Security guard should have access. With all these cops, there's gotta be one around.
Hey, you Alan? Yeah, I am. You got an evacuation plan, right?
Of course we do.
Good, we need to get moving on it.
We're not gonna evacuate 40,000 people so we can play cowboys and Indians. But you got an isolated incident in the basement, we can close the basement. I got no problem with that.
This whole place is about to fill up with Chicago PD. That's gonna cause a panic. We need to shut the game down and get people out of here safely.
Shut it down, I can't make that call.
Well, then call somebody who can make that call, please.
Okay, hang on. Yeah, get me Barry. Well, tell him to call me ASAP. It's an emergency. So just how bad are things down there?
Yeah, we don't know yet. We're dealing with a crime scene, though. The coroner's on his way.
Why this gotta happen on my watch? Jesus.
Where are you, Jordy?
What? Gone. I'm allergic to cops, so's Maurice, but don't worry, I left you a present. Friend of a friend deals in pre-owned cars. Got a real beauty waiting for you in the garage across the street. Take it or leave it, I don't care.
I'll tell you what.
Gotta go.
He's a terrorist attack. At a playoff game? That's terrorist.
I didn't save the files you marked.
Look at the whole stadium lose power. Right while the game's on. Oh, Jesus, it's the entire stadium. Can you believe this? No lights, no nothing. I never seen anything like this.
Not now. I don't understand. Are you kidding me?
I'll tell you what, it's a terrorist attack. At a playoff game? That's terrorist.
Anybody check under the old... Squad, suspect has to be nearby. I'm gonna keep looking. Where's this guy hiding? Anyone see him? Still no sign of suspect. We'll keep looking.
We've got a patrol car in pursuit of suspect.
We're going to check to the north of your position. Still searching. Anyone have a visual? Squad suspect back in view. We're on him. Over. I'm gonna try ahead and watch out. Stop now! Going in for a hit. Stop! Pull over! This is the police! Stop where you are! Pull it over now! I've got a spinner. Stop! We will shoot you!
A patrol car has been dispatched after the suspect.
the vehicle!